Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Saad bin Farouk back again with another video. Today I have created another variant of my uh, BERP uh, ERP software, which is linked with meat produce or meat export related industry. Uh, as we know that meat export is one of our biggest supply one of the biggest exports in uh, the world. So the thing is that halal meat is a much bigger market than traditional meat market for the global market. So the main barrier that we face as a country for meat export is trust issue with halal certifications, and there, a lot of the countries face uh, basically question uh, the credibility of the halal certification and whether the meat has been produced or been cut and ziba using the halal approved methods and or not. So what I have suggested is a blockchain and AI related solution. So I'm going to show you a demo of it. So this is aimed at anybody working in the meat export business or the regulatory authority for them. So here you go. This is the demo. All you have to do is go to my website, which is sbfconsultancy.net. You'll see a pop-up for risk application. You have to go into that, and here is the application. So I'm going to show you. It's completely live and available for everyone. As I normally do, all the IDs are written over here. So I'm going to show you as an admin. So just to give you an overall look, I have signed in as an admin. I have now all the rights. This is basically someone for a business owner or a system admin. As you can see, these are the total batches in the software the data that I have seeded just for testing purpose and demo purpose. So these are the total number of batches. These are the ones who are certified green, which are basically halal certified and are authentic. These are the pending audits. These are the compliance breaches. Okay. Further, we can verify the batch number, any of them. Let's suppose I'm going to verify this batch number. As you can see, it is verification certificate status is certified. Sharia advisor as Mufti Usman. This is a fictional person. It's not a real person. And this is the farm that health and feed certificate is authentic. The slaughterhouse was authentic. Logistics was done under the supervision of this whole system, and the retail aspect of the things were carried out correctly. So anybody using the system can verify any batch number. Further, just I'm gonna come back to this. Anybody can access it. A public person, anybody can verify this system. It's the same menu. Anybody, let's suppose a person searches for batch number 9905 and queries the ledger, and he gets all the information related to the same. Now the proposed method to do this is that whenever a meat vendor obtains uh, the meat from the slaughterhouse or anybody else, they should be registered in this system, and the meat vendor should have the batch number or a QR code displayed on his shop, so anybody can uh, log in and check the batch numbers of authenticity. Actually a certified halal meat. As you know, there are some cities in Pakistan which are selling donkey meat and so on. So this can help with that system. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the rest of the application. That was just for the public. They don't need to know all the nitty-gritties of the app. So I'm gonna show you how everything works. Now, this is the dashboard which I showed you earlier. As you can see, these are the batch IDs. This is the traceability. This is the same screen, a sort of same screen which you get on the verify batch section. And you can see that farm registration is done, Zabiha verification is completed. It can give you a whole supply chain view of the entire batch. You can search it for any of the batches. This is the AI surveillance. Now, what I am suggesting is that AI-based surveillance should be installed in the slaughterhouses and the farms which provide the meat for slaughtering. And this is just a mock-up, and it should be built with AI so that it is checking in real time that all the protocols are followed for halal certification. Further, this is a section where digital fatwas are produced. These are linked with the Solidity blockchain authentication model. This is where the fatwas are kept, and the fatwas rulings are incorporated in software language into the blockchain Solidity file, and this that is like a smart contract which controls this whole system. Okay, these are the rights and governance. Like this is a global admin which I am sign it. I have all access, mode right, ledger edit, and everything. These are the Sharia auditor, logistic manager, AI node controller, and so on. This is the AI audit, uh, similar to what I had presented in my other BERP applications. What I have to do is just I can conduct this audit, like I said before, 10 times a day. All I have to do is click here and it verifies all the, or goes through all the data in the blockchain and comes up if there is any misconduct done. As you can see, I have seeded some high and critical level security breaches or anomalies, and it has detected it and it has produced given a score of 72 to 72%. So it is working appropriately. Further, this is the setting systems, which is pretty much in all over my apps. Okay. Further, I'm gonna log out over here. I'm gonna log out over here, and I'm gonna sign in as an auditor. Now I can see all the items related to audit, and I can check anything from a audit standpoint. And everything else is like logistics and other domains can be accessed and can be checked how it works. As you can see, the logistics person or the supply chain person doesn't need to know a lot. He just has a dashboard and a traceability thing just to check that his supply chain blockchain is updated accurately. So this is a pretty robust system, and hope I hope to give you a good service for this, and contact me for the any regulatory authorities or the people working in the meat export business can contact me through my website or my LinkedIn, and get this software done for your company. So, Jazakallah khair. All thanks to Allah, all praise to Allah. This is without whom this cannot be possible. Even just one comma in the code, I cannot write this on my own. Everything is given and is a mercy from Allah. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.